Hi, I'm Antony, the founder of Aera Camp. I live here in the heart of the Alps. This is my playground, and it is here I realized the perfect tent didn't exist. I'm an IT manager the day, and I spend my night designing the gear I want to use. I decided to stop compromising. I wanted a shelter self-supporting, under 1 kilogram, and durable for these mountains.
No cheap plastics, just precision engineering. I'm currently testing the second prototype in real conditions. On this channel, I'm sharing everything, successes, failures, and technical choices.
By backing this project, you're supporting an independent creator.
Join the journey and let's bring European ultralight gear to the trails.
The first batch will be limited. Join the waitlist now, link below. Subscribe to follow the build.
Let's make Aera Camp a reality. See you soon!